Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again, and of course tonight we will be analyzing the market together and we'll be checking out how we can make up to $500 in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. These are the assets we'll be checking out, and of course if you are not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with my analysis. This is very important. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend milk card trading indicator, and this has been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. You can see it has been buying and buying, okay, and at the moment it is still buying because it is fully on uptrend. Okay, it started from here, guys. It started from here, and of course it kept on going up, even though there are pullbacks in between, but this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it went up till it got to this resistance zone before pulling back a bit. Okay, it pulled back till it got to this support zone and went back up to this resistance. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on sell trend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It started a downtrend from here, came to an end around there and went on a buy again, and of course after getting to this resistance zone it was unable to go above that, so it started selling, and of course was still unable to break out below this same support zone, so it is buying at the moment. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should watch out for the resistance zone at the top. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been on buy trend from this support zone. Okay, you can see the way it is buying, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now finally, which is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 started a downtrend from here. You can see the red flag, it shows us a downtrend, and of course the red arrow which shows us a sell signal, and of course it started selling right from there till it got to this support zone. Right now it is going back on buy trend. You can see the blue arrow and the yellow flag, and which means that the market is on uptrend and the market is buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.